the 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.